How to create timetable in Notion. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a timetable in Notion. So first of all, just open Notion and just sign into your account with your email address. And after that, on the home screen of your Notion account, you will see all these options right here. So in order to make a timetable, you can either go ahead and click on templates and select a template of your choice. And you can also import file from your device or your system. And if you have a PDF form of timetable in your system, just go ahead and bring that in here and it will make a timetable for you. And if you want to make a timetable from scratch, just click on add a page under the getting started, and after that just add a title. Now you can see the three dot icon of your screen, just click on that, and from here you can add text, you can add different things, you can add page analytics, or you can add different types or style of fonts. So just select the font and now just go ahead and create your timetable according to your need. Just integrate all the important dates and work and tasks that you are supposed to do and just create your timetable on this page. So this is how you will be able to create a timetable in Notion. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.